My friends, welcome back to How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I'm so excited. And the reason why I'm going to come in just a little bit is because I'm going to play along this month for August 2019 with the Counterfeit Kit Club. They have the first release of a kit and then they do a mini kit. So I'm going to show you what we are going to use. It's with Citrus Twist Kits. And the first one I'm going to show you, or the one I'm showing you today at least, is the Life Crafted Best of Life Kit. And I will go ahead and put about right there what their kit looks like, and I'm going to show you what I came up with. Now the first thing is that they have 12 single-sided sheets, and I will show you one at a time. I mean, I'm so excited about these. And I have them from Webster's Pages, Dear Lizzie, all kinds of, I targeted for my kit this month paper pads. And the reason why is because I have roughly a bazillion that I don't use. So this is Webster's Pages. I won't know all of them. This would be Dear Lizzie. So Webster's Pages and Dear Lizzie, and look at how gorgeous they look together. And I'm going to go out. I keep deciding how I want to go because it'll grow. Okay, then next, look at this Webster's Pages piece of paper here. It is beyond stunning. It is a map and it is an aqua wood grain with just a little bit of this orangey tone coming through. Oh, so cool. I've got right here a black piece of paper with gold and white arrows. So that's super cool. I'm gonna move a couple things out of my way because I have a feeling this is gonna grow and grow and grow. Okay, so next I have this rather bright piece of paper here. This is just, and I tried to keep my kit rather white based because I kind of like my creams with creams and whites with white. So I have just some kind of flora, fauna kind of things going on there. Next is another piece of Webster's Pages. Oh, and I wanted to say, most of my papers are single-sided. I'll flip them in a second to show you what I mean. And some of the Webster's Pages are double-sided. Everything else was single. So this is just a tone-on-tone dot, and I was going along with the papers in the kit and the Life Crafted kit. So this was just a tone-on-tone pink, and that's how I went with that. Next, I really liked the idea of bringing in some anchors in case I come up with any summer goodies. And then I have a nice grid. It's kind of a mint green grid, and I do have some interesting border strips, so I'm going to use them if I have to, if I want to, if I need to. Then I brought in this scripty font, and it's a really nice weight. Oh, look, it's double-sided. Okay, I'm going to show you that in a minute. But it's don't count the days, make the days count, all that kind of stuff. Live life out loud. Really nice words, and it's a metallic gold on there. Next, I have a very distressed looking, I don't know, it's like a really nice saturated mint, and then it fades out and goes back and forth. So I have that one. I have a nice thick white with kind of faceted golden gems on it. Let's see, can we still see them all? Perfect. And then I had to have this. Look at this wood grain. It is pink fading into regular blonde wood grain. Loved that. Let me see. And then I ended up adding this. And the reason why, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, because the kit called for 9 3x4 cards. So I just thought I'd throw in a cut apart sheet, and that will work for my 3x4 cards, with the ancillary benefit that it is double-sided if I don't end up using them. And I do not use enough of these. Okay, so that is the papers in this collection. Now, what I did next for my embellishments, there was wood grain chip alphabet stickers. So I went ahead and grabbed these. I recently picked them up at Tuesday morning. They are wood grain, but they have some gold on them. And the cool thing is, I grabbed both sheets because I run out of alphas really quick. The cool thing is there's also wood grain with white, so I can go either way with that, so that will be fun. I decided that I needed to go ahead and also add in a smaller and colored alpha. So these are puffy little alpha stickers. I have 2 sets of them because I wanted to put 2 sets in. They're by Dear Lizzie. It's all good. So that's my alphas. Then next, let's see, exclusive enamel shaped stickers. So what I did for that is I do have this little set of enamel shaped stickers right here. They're by Amy Tan, and I'm gonna get a little brighter. And I've used up a bunch, and not all the colors work, but I kind of had them hanging out, so I want to try to get some traction. But since I didn't have a full sheet, I also am bringing in these 2 sets of, this one's rather used, but partially used, little glittery enamel dots. So those are going to be my enamel shapes portion of the kit. Then I have, let's see what's next. Enamel shapes, okay, die cut cardstock ephemera. I have an entire pack of the Dear Lizzie It's All Good die cut shapes, and that is a fab representation of what is in there. So I'm excited to use that because I have a full set. And see how there's navy in here, and there's navy in my inker paper. So some of that's working together. All right, so let's see, exclusive chipboard stickers. I did not have exclusive chipboard stickers. So what I decided to bring in were these layered stickers by Dear Lizzie. And they're so cool. I mean, look at all the layering and the goodness on there. So that's fun. Then, let's see, exclusive, okay, Puffy stickers. There's Puffy stickers in the kit. So who am I not to obey and bring in Puffy stickers? Then, let's see, Puffy stickers. Oh, the journaling cards, I already told you about that with my cut apart sheet. And I am all twisted up here. Okay, so I brought that in for my journaling cards. That's gonna work for that. The kit did have one 3x8 double-sided bookmark. I do not have that, but I have plans. I have something else instead. Let's see, and then let's see, 2 4x6 double-sided journaling cards, so that's working with that right there. And then some cut-apart labels. Now theirs is like a 6x8 sheet, and I just happen to have this little bin here from Ellie's Studio of all these different cut-apart labels. And I had a nice little stack of them from some sale, and I just cut them all up one day. So I'm going to keep them in there, and anything I can use from here will be a win. Okay, so now let me show you, oh, and then there's also, I didn't tell you, a 3x4 high quality polymer stamp. And so what I decided to do is just bring in this all heart stamp, and the reason why is in the other kit from Citrus Twist this month, there is some all heart in that collection, and so it kind of just made me think about it. So I'm going to bring that in as well. And then I have a couple of little extras. I have these accent and phrase stickers, and I'm going to go ahead and put them like that so you can see what I mean. They have not been opened, so they're kind of cool because, you know, they have the banners and all that kind of stuff, and, you know, the great icon kind of things. I've got some nice little journaling spots. I'm going to have to make sure that I'm stamping on these with some Stays-On or permanent ink. But they also have some of these really nice tiny words, and I love, 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 love adding tiny words. So that's a win. So that's an addition. I have just a couple of washi tapes, and these are also from the Dear Lizzie All Good collection. All the stuff I have here that's from Dear Lizzie All Good, I picked up at Tuesday morning. And then finally, I'm going to bring in these Nouveau Dream Drops, and the reason why, these are iridescent by the way, the reason why is because I never use them. I do not use them even close to as much as I should. Try kind of see. Dream Drops in this color is called Dragon Scales. So that is this kit that I'm going to use to mimic the Citrus Twist Kits Life Crafted Best of This Life Kit July 2019. That is an incredible mouthful. So I am so excited about this kit and I can't wait to start creating with it. So hopefully you'll come back and follow along with me and see what I can make out of these great things. And really quick, I'm going to move these goodies aside so I can flip my papers over and you can see what's single-sided and you can see what is double-sided. And I have zero problem using the back side if it works more for the kind of layouts I'm working with. Oh, and by the way, I have a little bit of birthday stuff to scrapbook, so I think these are going to be playing a part in that. Okay, here we go. Let me flip-a-roo. Voila. So as you see, I have mostly single-sided, but I've got this really great one right here. It's a nice zigzag going on with gold. The other side of this wood grain is this absolutely gorgeous cut apart. More birthday stuff, so that's cool. This was the gold gems, and it's this gorgeous floral on the back side. Single-sided. This was that really nice scripty font, and the back side is just a damask. And then those are single. Here we have this tone on tone. And this side, it says life is good and another wood grain. Yay for wood grains. Put that back in. Single-sided. This side was this ridiculously gorgeous aqua, which I know I'll use that. But the other side is a really great little bumpy bump, black and white. And then finally, this really great tone on tone pink scuffy distressed vintage paper. The back side is a ridiculously gorgeous floral. All right, that's it for now, friends. We'll see you later. If you want to go ahead and like and subscribe down there, that would be the bee's knees. And then right about there is a notification button. So if you want to be notified when my videos are posted, that will notify you. And if you have any questions, comments, that kind of stuff, I will be sure to, remember, I'm going to try to put the picture up there a little bit. I will probably get back to you within 24 hours. I like to do that pretty darn quick. All right, goodbye, friends.